mathematical questions before describing the theory. Question: a milk butterfat percentage of 3 breeds of cows is desired to be known. A random sample of 4 cows from 3 cows is taken. There are 3 cows, 1, 2, 3, and 4 sample, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 4 sample. We also say these are the replications. We also say 1, 2, 3, these are the treatments we can take. These are also called columns. And we also discuss the column number 1, column number 2, column 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, there is also row. Here is the questions. The given data is C1, C2, C3, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 65, 66, 50, 45, 38, 60, 42. So this is the questions we want to discuss. Very, very important. The procedure. What is the procedure? First, we mention, we discuss, we write its hypothesis. So there are 3 cow, 1, 2, 3. So cow 1, mu1, cow 2, mu2, C2, that is the mu3. So null hypothesis will be H0 mu1 is equal to mu2 is equal to mu3. If we have the 4 columns, 4 cows, then we can add mu4, mu5, so on mu. Again, we will define the H1. H1, not all are equal. That is the alpha. Alpha, it should be mentioned. If not, we can take 5%, we can take 1%. So this is the step number 1, how to calculate the variances. Again, number one step, we will define H0, mu1 is equal to mu2 is equal to mu3. H1, not all equal, means are not equal. Alpha is 5%. So this is the first step. Here is we have 3 breeds of cow. So we have mu1, mu2, mu3. That will be on the H0. H1 not equal to, not all are equal. Alpha 0.05 we can take. Now the calculation. Step 2. Count the values. That is 12. It is first part of step 2. Second part of the step 2 is add all the values. We can add these, but I have written all 40 plus 50 plus 60 plus 65 plus so on. Number 1, count the values. Number 2, add all the values. If we denote values by x, yes, we can denote, and add summation, then we can write it summation x 651. You can do by your calculators. This is the first step. This is the first part. Second part. First part, count the values. Second part, add the values. We just write summation x. Summation mean add, x mean values. 651. Number 3, very important. We will take the square of added values. We will take the square of added values divided by n. So 651 square over 12. Here it is answer. Summation x square over n is called correction factor. We call it correction factor. Correction factor, it is used to find the variance s square, sample variance. Sample variance s square is equal to 1 over n minus 1, summation x square, summation x whole square over n. So actually the first step we have found the correction factor, that